Hi, it's Allison, and I'm here today to show you how to make a filter for the mask that I made in the previous video. This is the hard part, so you gotta be careful. This part is sharp. Bad boys are sharp. So I'm going to flip around this whole thing. It would help if my wire cutters weren't 9,000 years old. I tried to take apart the cardboard around the edges and to kind of pull it apart and pull the fabric out that way, but the fabric is glued and all I ended up doing was cutting myself. So trust me, I know this is tedious and it takes a little bit longer, but it's definitely the better way to do it. So once that is done, you can ever so carefully peel this back because the edges are very sharp. Now that you have the top off, you're going to cut along the edges here. Next, since I'm already down in that groove, I'm just going to cut along the side here and do the same thing for this side. All right, so here is the fabric after you remove it from the packaging and take it out of the cardboard insert. So what I did, and what I'm going to show you how to do today, is make the filters. First, you're gonna lay it out and you wanna get it flat. So I'm going to iron it, but I don't want the iron to melt the fabric. So I'm putting a cloth in between the iron and the filter fabric. Not gonna remove all of the wrinkles, but it does a pretty good job. And then to make multiple filters all at once, I'm going to fold this up when I cut it out. That's gonna make a lot right there. Now you don't want to pin this. I want to emphasize that. Do not pin the pattern to the filter paper because that will make holes in the filter and then the air particles will get through. It really cuts down on the effectiveness of the whole thing if you poke holes in it. You can lay them down like this. That'll give you 1, 2, 3 cutouts times 5. So 15 masks in this section here. So I get my cutting shears out and I just hold the pattern down while I'm cutting it out. Okay, so now I've set up my sewing machine here. I have my filter tiles here. I'm gonna take one from each. My goodness gracious me. Lay them together so that both sides are facing the same direction. And then you're going to sew down side A. You're going to make it about 1/4 of an inch inseam. And there you go. That is it.
I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope it's been helpful for you. If you liked this video, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Be sure to check out my other social media links and the printable for this episode in the video description below. Until next time, keep on crafting!